Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Wait, I'm just gonna do something. I'll be right back. I just turned on the volume so you can hear my friend P-Master. He's also making a video, like a live stream.
Bob raped Minecraft and Transformer King. Well, welcome to chat, guys. We might get some other people, but at the moment it's about 12 people in, but I don't want to be here for ages. 15 now, 15, right. Yeah, so what we're going to be building today is what we're going to be doing today, man, is...
I'm just going to build a question mark.
So the Guess Who challenge, yeah. Right, the Guess Who challenge, no. What is it? What's he doing? 5.
A question mark.
Oh, that's in my other world. We do that later,
oh, okay.
Yeah? So
yeah, we can do that later.
Here we're just going to finish off our question mark world. I'm not going to tell you anything about it, so I haven't showed you, but I told you I'm making a map called question mark. And I'm not telling you what's going to be in episode from the cheating mode. So, Puppykill. Today, we are
building?
Yeah?
Yeah? So what are we going to build?
We'll be doing the Guess Who challenge.
A Guess Who challenge?
Say, okay. I'm going to build something.
Yeah?
Yeah? You're going to have to ooh me again. And you've got to try and guess what it is. But if I don't know, then I win. Because it would have been you that building it a bit rubbish. No offence. So if I build something and then you guess it right, yeah, then you get the point. But if hang on. So if
okay.
If
wait.
Right, I'm just gonna pause the live stream here, guys.
Oh, he's just gonna pause this
the
video.
Live stream just to talk to Puppykill quick. I'll just Uber him.
He's gonna try and Uber me.
Right. Yeah. Right. Wait, Puppykill, you can I've stopped live stream now, but yeah, go on over here.
I can't.
Ooh. Oh, you're doing a YouTube video, aren't you? Oh, never mind. You're doing one as well. So,
and record.
Oh, what clones? Get off. Right, starting.
Can't Uber
We're going to
record.
be back on in 3. Can't Uber record. Oh, yeah. So, what we're going to do, yeah, is we're going to play the Guess Who challenge. So, I'm doing a YouTube video as well.
Guess Who?
But because I'm on Twitch and YouTube. That shit. So, what happens, yeah? So, you're going to be standing up here. Say if I build, yeah? Say if you're building, you stand there.
Yeah, I'm
you
building.
start building and all that, and I've got to try and guess what it is.
Okay.
So we've only got 2 people and no spectator. But no, we're not starting yet.
Yeah, I know.
So, the game is to guess what you're building. I've got to try and guess. But here's the rule. At once, you can only have 5 guesses, yeah, and you can build anything you want. So if I don't get it, yeah, then you get the point. Yeah.
Yes.
If I guess it, then I get the point.
I'm more explaining.
If I don't guess it, you get the point and all that. Do you get it?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
What we
Come on.
Do is, you want to start off first? No, I'll start off first. Right. So you start off, right? Wait, Puppykill, I'll let you start. You're the one. Right. I know. I'll give a shout out to Puppykill as well. Because he did get 30 subscribers now, and I've got over 2 million. So. Yeah.
A big difference, I would say.
This is the thing.
Yes.
I think you don't have many subscribers yet. No offense, yeah. It's because the way you film. So what you want to do, yeah, is you want to buy a laptop.
Yeah. Which I'm
get a USB stick, plug it in. I'll tell you this when I Uber you. Yeah. Download the link
I'll just
thingy
write
off
I
the
know.
website. Yeah, and then it just works. That's how I've got like
Start.
over like 2 million subs. That's how I've got over 2 million subs.
Let's start. Come on.
Let's start. Yeah. Oh, can you place a white block back quick?
Yes, I will.
Right,
Master.
Can you never saw that? So the challenge starts now.
Okay, I am going to be building a hot dog.
Try and guess what it is. Try and guess what it is.
Everybody's going to guess this in the comments.
You only get 5 guesses. You only get 5 guesses, guys. Oh. I'm going to wait till he's actually like put a little bit more detail into it. Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot dog!
Yeah.
Hot dog! Hot dog! Hot dog!
Yeah. A
Hot
hot dog.
Hot dog! Puppykill, is it a hot dog?
Yep, you got it right straight away.
Right, is it a hot dog? Right, it's a hot dog, isn't it? Yay! First guess, and I've already got one right. One right.
I'm going to lose this
Oh,
so
yeah, I remember
terribly.
doing Puppykill missions before. So, yeah. So, it's my turn now. So, I'm going to turn my mic off and just tell you what I'm going to be building. Right, turning it off in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I think he's turned his mic off, so I don't know what he's building. I'm just gonna help him by giving him swiftness.
Right, I'm off now. I'm right. Right, I'm off. I'm already going. So you just when you're ready, yeah, you write a sign down. Because you're doing a YouTube video, you can just shout at them. So yeah, but you can write a sign down. But first you can say, oh, it's like that. So yeah, so I need.
I have to place a sign down to
black
see.
wall,
Black wall.
and then some lime green wall.
Why would he mean lime?
So, well, let's change it today. So
Oh, it's just gonna get night vision.
So it might look a bit like complicated on first, but yeah.
Traffic lights.
It's something I've shown to Puppykill, which
What is this?
is cool.
I don't know.
You might get it,
We only have like 4 rounds or 3.
but will he get it? Just would he get it though? Is he going to get it?
It looks like a football pitch. Oh no, not.
5
Wait.
guesses. You got to try and guess this right.
I don't know.
Oh shit! I'm nervous. I swear he's
Oh.
gonna get it flipping right.
He sweared, but it doesn't matter, I think. Doesn't really matter.
Oh, I don't think that's supposed to. Yeah, that's supposed
What is he building? Grasshopper.
Let's do this. Yeah, I'll shout out to Puppykill and Jelly because they have
Grasshopper.
subscribed to me as well. But I think they're really proper good YouTubers. Right. So they're not grasshoppers, so you have 4 more.
Oh no.
4 more. Oh, grasshoppers. Grasshoppers. Grasshoppers was actually a really good idea, actually.
What is it?
Yeah. It's something I've told you about.
Green.
So always write and sign down there so
Sun.
I showed you today. I showed you it today.
Glasses. He showed me on Ubu just like a minute ago. Well, 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, sunglasses!
It's my go, and I
got
think
them.
this
My
is going to
green
be the last thing.
sunglasses. Right, yeah, he got them. I just want to see what they actually look like Puppy done. Oh my god, they're beasts! Do they look upside down at all? You know, I have to like, oh my. They should update you. We should just look upside down and see what it looks like. Yeah.
I'll make a
So
bookshelf.
it's going to be Puppykill's turn. And,
Okay, I'm going to make a bookshelf now.
That point. But we're not going to be writing the stuff down on the signs. So I'm just going to make this a little mini game and then, yeah.
Because this is actually a quite fun mini game. As he just said, this is a mini game. I might help him make a stage.
Puppykill and also Chubby Lads and Titan for being good people on the YouTube history. Also
okay, just needed a quick glimpse.
Just scroll down. Right.
5 up, no, 4 up.
Subscribe them with me, yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll do.
She hasn't been on for ages, but if you do watch this Crescent, yeah. If you do
come on,
watch this, then can you please come on, because like I've got some I'm building a city and I need the help and all that.
Okay.
So right, we're gonna let Puppykill
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
we're
7,
gonna probably do this for a 12-minute
9.
video, and I know I'm doing a live stream on a Twitch, but normally I do long ones on Twitch, but I want to do short ones today because I've got busy stuff. Especially being a YouTuber, I get paid as well, which is cool. I get paid. Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
It won't be a
7,
cake.
8,
Right,
9.
I'm not guessing. I'm just talking to myself here. I didn't guess that. Is it a cake?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Don't
7,
listen
8,
to me.
9.
Yeah, do not listen to me. So.
Okay, I'm taking that as a guess. Literally, I need to take that as a guess.
I'm not saying it's a cake yet. I'm just talking to myself. Is it going to be a cake? Will it be a cake?
Nope.
Oh, no.
Your guess is over.
Oh. Is it a cake? Is it a cake? Right. Yeah. Yes. Bob raped Minecraft. Yeah. I know. You think you like question mark. No, sorry, I can't give out my PlayStation Network. My friends listen to all.
He will never guess this.
Oh, wow, we've got 200 people in the live stream now. But hi guys, yeah, it's going to be a 12-minute episode if you just join.
He exited the game. Well, you know... Wait a minute. I could get on to... No, I could not get on there again. Well, I was going to build a bookshelf. Tell me in the comments if you think he was going to guess that. But I hope he wasn't, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this guess what I built kind of game. Hope you enjoyed, so yeah, goodbye. Bye.